Welcome to DSG Energy, powering Pakistan's industries with sustainable solutions. Sohail Textile Mills now harnesses 1 megawatt of clean solar power, fully operational and sustainable with DSG Energy. Sohail Textile Mills is weaving a brighter future, powered by clean, sustainable energy for generations to come. Inside Sohail Textile Mills, every machine runs efficiently thanks to reliable solar energy. Huawei inverters ensure precision, reliability, and seamless energy management. With the solar panels in place, Sohail Textile Mills embraces a greener, energy-efficient future. Sohail Textile Mills, powered by DSG Energy.